Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, clap your hands. So guys, today I'm super excited because as the title, today I'm going to do unboxing beauty product again and again. Hey guys, so 1 week ago I met my makeup friend, okay, in Singapore. So she gave me a lot of makeup products, so I'm super excited to unbox this makeup, guys. So if you are curious, keep on watching, guys. Guys, look at this. Oh my god, unopened product, guys. Oh, thank you so much, my bestie. Okay, we start from the this one, guys. Oh wait, wait. Okay guys, today I create this eye look using this palette, guys. This one a Revolution Makeup London, ya guys. Okay, you can see. Oh my god, I tried this shadow today to create this eye look, guys, and yeah, the pigmentation like that is enough good, guys. Okay, and no fallout at all. Also, I love this. Oh my god, wait. I love this palette, guys. Yeah. Total is 144 color shadow, ya guys. Okay, wait, I open first. Guys, this one so dreaming, guys, to play colorful eyeshadow, guys. Matte and shimmer all here, guys. I really love this, guys. Thank you so much, my bestie. Okay, and next product is some eyeshadow, ya guys. 4 eyeshadow, guys. Okay, this one from Colourpop, guys. Oh my god. Yeah, I also don't have a makeup product from Colourpop, guys. Yeah. And look at this, guys. Okay, you can see, guys, still new, guys, so pretty color, right? Okay, the Princess Disney, I really love this, guys. Also has the glittery sequin. Oh my god, oh, so pretty colors, so dreaming, guys, to play with them. And this one I unopened, you guys, still in the plastic, from Revolution. Also the Sophia, yeah, collaboration with the Shopee, and you can see the color story over here, guys. Also colorful colors, so I like this, guys. I don't want to open. I still thinking this palette I want to give away in my birthday, or I don't know, yeah, guys. I still thinking, guys. Okay, and okay, this one from Revolution also, guys, and you can see this shadow is colorful. Okay, you can see the colors also unopened, guys. And next, this one is the natural color, guys. Yeah, but I love the both of this color story, guys. Oh my god, so cute, right? Okay, and then she gave me this one Colourpop, guys. Colourpop, yeah, a blusher. Okay, and I love the color, guys. Okay, you can see the packaging. Oh my god, so cute. Okay, I love the color, yeah, guys. Okay, I swatch for you. You can see like a peach, soft peach color like that, guys. Oh my god, yes. And next product. Okay, next product still in eyeshadow, but this one single eyeshadow, ya guys. Wait. Okay, also unopened, still in plastic. This one from the brand Australis, metallics, single shadow, guys, like this. Oh, I also want to try this because I also don't have makeup product from Australis brand like that, guys. And then Okay, next is some lip product ya guys, some lip product and the mascara. I have one mascara from Tarte. You can see, love this packaging is neon pink like this. I love, guys. And yesterday I tried this mascara, guys. Okay, like this. Still good, but how to say, guys? This mascara is good, but not really good like my own favorite mascara by L'Oreal Paris, guys. Yeah, like that. And next, she gave me, okay, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh wait, ya guys, 5 lipstick, ya guys. Okay, first this one this one lip gloss, ya guys, from Colourpop. Okay, one of them I will give away. Okay, and this one also Colourpop, ya guys, lip gloss, ultra glossy lip gloss. Okay, I wear also yesterday. The color is so pretty, like nude color like that. Okay, I swatch for you. Okay, like nude glossy like this, so pretty, right? And the smell very nice, guys, have a good smell. And next, this one unopened, ya guys, 2 lipstick. This one unopened. This one from Silky Girl Matte Junki. The set is number 14, Cherry. Actually, this lipstick, yeah, same with my lipstick. I also have this set, guys. So this one I think I will give away, guys. And next is by Essence. Okay, Essence like this. I also have this lipstick but different shades. This one, the Velvet Matte Lipstick set number 7. Okay, guys, I don't want to open because some of them will going to give away on my birthday. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoy and like this video, guys. See you. Bye bye.